Let's turn a plain, sleepy morning into something deliciously exciting. Today, we're making a quick croissant sandwich that's so soft, creamy, and comforting, you'll want to repeat it every weekend. In a small bowl, I've taken 1 egg. Add a tablespoon of milk, a dash of salt, and whisk it until it's light and smooth. Set it aside. Now take your croissant, I'm using this little cutie, and slice it in half gently without crushing that beautiful buttery layer. Look how fresh it looks inside, soft, airy, and perfectly golden. Next, I'm preparing the filling. 1 tomato slice, a small piece of iceberg lettuce, and 1 slice of cheddar cheese. Keep them aside for layering later. Let's make the magic sauce, the part that makes this sandwich truly irresistible. In a small bowl, add 1½ tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon of mustard, 1 tablespoon of sriracha, 1 tablespoon of hot sauce, and 1 teaspoon of honey. Mix it all together and just look at that glossy, creamy perfection. Sweet, spicy, tangy, it's everything your taste buds want at once. Now in a frying pan, melt a little butter and lightly toast both sides of the croissant until golden and crisp from inside. The buttery aroma will instantly make your kitchen smell like a cozy cafe. Grease the pan again with butter and pour in the egg mixture. Cook it gently until it's soft, fluffy, and ready to melt into your sandwich. Now comes the best part, assembling. On 1/2 of the croissant, spread a generous layer of that homemade sauce. Then place the cheese, tomato slice, lettuce, and the warm, soft egg. Drizzle a little more sauce on top and crown it with the other half of the croissant. And there you have it, your cafe-style croissant sandwich ready in minutes. Crispy on the outside, creamy inside, and that sauce, oh, it's a game changer. Take a bite, and you'll feel the layers crackle before the creamy, tangy, buttery flavors melt in your mouth. Pure breakfast bliss. I'll see you in another cozy and delicious video. Until then, take care and happy cooking.